This car could one day make $10,000 a year without a driver. That is over $800 a month in passive income once Tesla's Robotaxi network becomes fully operational. As if the future of business, taxis are expensive, Uber takes a cut, drivers work long hours. But what if a car could do it all alone? In 2025, Tesla did something that many thought was still years away. No drivers, fully autonomous rides, just pure software on wheels. Tesla's vision of autonomous mobility has taken a major leap forward, not with full robotaxi deployment yet, but with groundbreaking advances in full self-driving technology. Tesla's operating with FSD V12 in cities like Austin are showing how the future of urban mobility is being rewritten in real time. But with this revolutionary step forward comes a big question. Will Tesla's Robotaxi fill it in Uber? Tesla's Robotaxi is no longer a distant dream. It is a near reality. These are fully electric vehicles powered by Tesla's full self-driving software, capable of navigating complex urban environments with minimal human input. Elon Musk has talked about this for years. A Tesla that drives itself, drops you off, then drives away to pick up someone else, making money for its owner while they sleep. In 2025, that vision started becoming tangible. The pilot program, still in the development and testing phase, features a mix of Model 3s and Ys equipped with Tesla's FSD. Tesla has also announced that it will unveil prototypes of dedicated robotaxis, vehicles with no steering wheels or pedals, just touchscreens and voice interfaces, with the official reveal scheduled for August 2025. Riders would summon a car with the Tesla app. The doors open, the screen greets you by name, and you are off. It is smooth, it is quiet, it is AI on wheels, and it works in controlled environments and supervised scenarios. The robotaxis can safely navigate intersections, deal with complex traffic situations, and even adjust to pedestrian behavior in real time. These cars have learned how to drive through a combination of billions of data points collected from human drivers and synthetic simulation. This isn't just a new feature, it is a whole new category of transportation. Tesla's full self-driving 12.0 runs on its custom-built Dojo supercomputers. Unlike other autonomous vehicle companies that rely on LiDAR sensors and pre-mapped routes, Tesla bets on vision-based AI, the same sensory approach that humans use to drive. Cameras around the car capture the environment in real time, while AI interprets road signs, pedestrians, traffic patterns, and unexpected obstacles. This vision-based system mimics how we interpret the world. It is not without its challenge, but the payoff is flexibility. The AI can learn to adapt to any road or city. Dojo trains these AIs with billions of miles of real-world driving data. Every corner turn, every brake tap, every near miss, all learned and baked into the next software update. Tesla's edge lies in its feedback loop. Every mile driven contributes to a neural net that becomes smarter, faster, and safer. Each robotaxi is effectively a node in a vast learning network. When you get in a Tesla Robotaxi, you are sitting inside a machine trained by millions of hours of global driving experience, and it shows. The rides are responsive, confident, and eerily smooth. The interface also adds a layer of personalization. Riders can customize temperature, music, lighting, and more through the app before the vehicle even arrives. It remembers your preferences, make each ride uniquely yours. Right now, Uber runs on human drivers. Each ride you take involves a person, their car, their time, and their compensation. Tesla's robotaxi system replaces all of that with automation. Let us compare. Cost. Tesla estimates its robotaxi rides could be as low as 20 cents per mile, a fraction of what Uber charges. Availability. Tesla's robotaxi don't sleep, don't cancel, and don't call in sick. Safety. Tesla claims its FSD software is already safer than the average human driver. Scalability. Uber requires more human drivers to scale. Tesla just needs to build more vehicles, full software updates. And here is the twist. In 2022 alone, Uber reported net loss of over $8 billion. That is the financial weight of a system still dependent on human labor and complex logistics. Uber has been investing heavily in AI, autonomy, partnerships with companies like Hyundai and Aurora. and fleet services to counter Tesla's momentum. Still, Tesla's vertically integrated model, combining software, hardware, and direct user control, gives it an edge that Uber can easily replicate. Uber is adapting, but Tesla is leading, and the gap may only widen as Tesla's technology matures. Tesla's Robotaxi have not yet begun fully commercial operations, but FSD-equipped Teslas are being used in real-world environments, with expanded supervised testing in cities like Austin. In Austin, riders describe the experience as surreal, a seamless pickup, fluid traffic maneuvers, and a futuristic feel. While there have been some early-stage bugs, like station at complex intersections or cautious turns, most users have reported highly positive experiences. Tesla is not yet operating Robotaxi in Dubai, but the city has shown strong interest in autonomous mobility and could become a future launch site. The local government has begun exploring broader integration of smart mobility strategies. Public sentiment is mixed, excited but cautious. On the one hand, the technology is undeniably impressive. On the other hand, many are asking important questions. What happens to the millions of human drivers displaced by autonomous vehicles? Who is liable in the event of a crash? Can AI handle truly unpredictable situations? Tesla says yes, pointing to layers of redundancy, continuous software audits, and real-time fleet monitoring. But regulation and trust will be critical moving forward. The potential impact of Tesla's robotaxi fleet goes far beyond replacing Uber. In the US alone, over 3.5 million people work as drivers, from rideshare to tracking to delivery. Tesla's fleet directly threatens those jobs. But from a business standpoint, the numbers are staggering. A human Uber driver might need $20 per hour after expenses. A Tesla robotaxi can work 20 hours a day, and Tesla projects it could generate over $100,000 a year in revenue per vehicle, with near zero marginal costs. If Tesla scales to 100,000 robotaxis, it could be producing $10 billion in annual revenue from transportation alone. By 2030, Morgan Stanley projects the autonomous vehicle market could top $1 trillion, with robotaxi alone contributing as much as $1.5 trillion. That is not science fiction. That is a market in motion. Tesla Robotaxi network could redefine the gig economy. Cities could build public transit systems with zero labor costs. Small businesses could run delivery services without a single employee. It is also about wealth creation. Tesla could usher in a new class of passive income entrepreneurs, people who own robotaxis and earn from them like landlords earn from real estate. But this future brings inequality risks too. Those with capital can buy fleets, those without may lose their livelihoods. Governments will need to respond with job retraining, new policies, and perhaps even basic income programs. The robotaxi economy won't just change how we move, it will change how we work and live. So, will Tesla robotaxi fleet in Uber? Not overnight. Uber is still global, branched, and trusted. But Tesla is playing a different game. Uber builds networks, Tesla builds intelligence, vehicles, and ecosystems. As Tesla scales, improves safety, and drops prices, Uber will face difficult decisions. Uber may have to partner with Tesla, develop its own autonomous fleet, or pivot entirely. Cities, lawmakers, and consumers will have their say too. Regulation could slow Teslas down. Public perception could shift. But one thing is clear. The age of driver-based rideshare is winding down. What follows is a new age of software-powered mobility, constant, autonomous, on-demand. This isn't science fiction anymore. It is happening, and it is happening fast. In the near future, transportation will be run not by people, but by code. So, what do you think? Would you ride in a Tesla Robotaxi tomorrow? Or do you still prefer a human behind the wheel? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Mechonomix for more stories about automation, AI, and the machines that are transforming our world. Because the future isn't coming, it is already here.